Welcome to this lesson designed to help you speak English fluently. Many learners believe they need hours of study every day. That belief often creates stress, fear, and disappointment. The truth is much simpler and more encouraging. You can improve your English with just 15 minutes daily. Small daily practice works better than long, tiring study sessions. This video will show you how consistency builds real English skills. You will learn how listening, speaking, and confidence grow together. This lesson is calm, slow, and easy to follow. Relax, focus, and allow your English to grow naturally. You are not late, and you are not weak. You are learning step by step, and that is enough. Why daily practice works better than long study. Many English learners believe long study sessions bring faster results. They sit for hours, study grammar, and memorize many words. At first, they feel motivated and hopeful about improvement. After a few days, that motivation slowly disappears. Busy schedules, tired minds, and frustration stop regular practice. When practice stops, English also stops growing. This happens because language learning needs repetition and regular use. Daily practice works differently and more effectively. When you practice English every day, your brain stays active. Your mind becomes familiar with English sounds and patterns. Even short daily exposure helps your memory stay strong. Your brain likes small tasks repeated many times. This is how habits are formed naturally. Daily practice reduces pressure and fear. You do not feel tired or overloaded. English becomes part of your daily routine. You listen, speak, and think in English naturally. Slow daily practice builds confidence step by step. You stop worrying about mistakes and start enjoying learning. Long study sessions often feel heavy and stressful. Daily practice feels light, calm, and achievable. That is why consistency always beats intensity. English fluency grows through small daily actions. Practice a little, but practice every day. How 15 minutes a day improves listening and speaking. Many learners believe speaking improves only by speaking a lot. In reality, listening plays an equally important role. Daily listening helps your ears recognize English sounds naturally. You begin to understand words without translating in your head. Short daily listening sessions train your brain gently and effectively. When you listen every day, your pronunciation also improves. You start copying rhythm, stress, and natural sentence flow. Speaking becomes easier because sounds feel familiar. Your mouth learns English through repeated exposure. This process feels slow, but it works deeply. 15 minutes is enough to create strong listening habits. You can listen while resting, walking, or before sleeping. There is no pressure to understand every word. Understanding comes naturally with repeated daily exposure. Daily listening builds a strong foundation for confident speaking. Simple, daily English activities that really work. Daily English practice does not need complex methods. Simple activities often bring the best results. Listening to short English audio is very effective. Repeating simple sentences improves speaking confidence. Learning a few new words daily is enough. You can speak English alone without fear or pressure. Talking about your day builds real communication skills. Shadowing practice helps improve fluency and pronunciation. Writing short sentences can also support memory. Choose activities that feel easy and enjoyable. The goal is not perfection or speed. The goal is daily connection with English. Even 5 focused minutes are better than none. Simple, daily actions create long-term progress. Consistency matters more than difficulty or effort. How to stay consistent even on busy days. Many learners stop practicing because life feels too busy. Work, family, and stress often take priority. That is why short daily practice is powerful. It fits easily into busy schedules. Choose one fixed time for English daily. Morning or night works best for most learners. Link English practice with an existing habit. This makes practice automatic and effortless. Do not wait for motivation to appear. Motivation comes after action, not before. On busy days, do something very small. Listening for 5 minutes still counts. Never break the habit completely. Consistency creates confidence and long-term success. English learning is also a mental journey. Your mindset controls how far you go. Many learners quit because progress feels invisible. This feeling is normal and temporary. Improvement often happens quietly inside your brain. One day, English suddenly feels easier. You understand more and hesitate less. This moment comes from daily practice. Do not compare yourself with others. Everyone learns at a different pace. Celebrate small improvements and daily effort. Mistakes are signs of learning, not failure. Trust the process and stay patient. Your English is growing every single day. You have reached the end of today's English lesson. Remember, real progress comes from small daily practice. Do not worry about speed or perfection. Focus on consistency and trust the learning process. If this video helped you, please like Italiano. Subscribe to the channel for more simple English lessons. Follow for daily practice and motivation. Share this video with friends learning English. Your support helps this channel grow and continue. Leave a comment and tell us about your English journey. Write what you learned or what you found difficult. Your comments help others feel motivated and supported. Keep practicing every day and never give up. Your English is improving, one step at a time.